This is Code.org. I'm currently working on CS Fundamentals. I'm on the pet giraffe lesson, and I'm on puzzle 4. We don't want to wait for the giraffe to clean itself every time. Add a behavior to your soap to make it draggable, then drag it over to clean the giraffe. All right, so here's our soap. We need to add a behavior, so I bet that's under behaviors. Look at that. Being draggable. Okay. That we need. Behaviors. Let's grab this. Being draggable and not Geraldine. I named my soap soap. And then I need to attach this. So once I click run, whenever I want to drag the soap, it is draggable. I wonder though if I have to have it when... Let's give this a shot. Oh, yep, draggable. Now let's have the giraffe get dirty. Ta-da! And once we get away from the dirt, let's see if I can get the giraffe clean. Ta-da! It works. Awesome. Let's keep going.